How to set time zone in Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set it up. First of all, go to this website named workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now, here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Simply tap on your profile name. Here, you can find a drop down of My Account. Tap on My Account. So basically, we're in this settings interface. Here, you can find different options and even customize it. Here on the top, tap on Personal Information. Now slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section of Time Zone. So this is the piece where you can set your time zone. So it's up to you and the way you want to work. So it's easier if you select a perfect time zone and later find different works related to it too. At last, tap on Save and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.